4 uses of AI in veterinary medicine. Detect rare animal diseases. One of AI's primary uses in veterinary medicine is detecting potential animal diseases. Our fluffy friends cannot talk, which makes it difficult for doctors to diagnose their health conditions. Fortunately, the AI application used in veterinary medicine can help doctors correctly identify more intractable diseases for animals. For instance, AI can be used to detect Addison's disease in dogs, which can have very serious consequences for dogs. Addison's disease is usually hard to diagnose in dogs, since the symptoms of the disease are similar to many common dog illnesses. This often leads doctors to overlook the possibility of Addison's disease. Even though properly timed treatment can help dogs with Addison's disease have normal lifespans, all of these vague and common symptoms have become hindrances for doctors trying to accurately diagnose the disease. Predict potential animal disease. In addition to detecting rare diseases, AI application in veterinary medicine can also help doctors to predict animals' healthy conditions and the risk of getting potential diseases in the following years and provide proactive care. For example, AI is largely used in predicting chronic kidney disease, CKD, for cats. According to AAHA, CKD has become the first cause of death in cats older than 5. And about 30% of cats over 12 years old suffer from this disease. Well, an AI-powered algorithm was developed by the American College of Veterinary Internal Medicine by analyzing the data from more than 150,000 cats. The algorithm now has the ability to predict the potential risk of a cat developing CKD. By analyzing and learning from the huge amount of health data, the algorithm can predict whether a cat will get the disease in the next 2 years or not with the accuracy of 95%. Automatically code notes for doctors. Taking notes is significant and necessary for both doctors and vets. The records provide the health background and medical experience of pets, which work as accurate resources for vets to diagnose the condition of animal patients. However, taking vet notes is not that simple. Before AI intervention, the traditional way of taking vet clinical notes was by handwriting, which made the work time-consuming, messy, and hard to copy. Using artificial intelligence and applying natural language processing, the software is able to understand the text of doctor's notes and transform the textual information into codes that represent specific symptoms and diseases. Better interpretation of medical images. Another way AI benefits veterinary medicine is by providing a better interpretation of medical images, such as radiology results. AI-based software can take over the simple and tedious work of veterinary radiologists, such as analyzing data, collecting information, and classifying cases. More importantly, it can provide suggestions to prioritize serious cases based on its interpretation of medical images. Even though the AI-based software cannot fully replace the doctor's role, it can streamline the process and improve the efficiency of the diagnosis.